would करता था. Polite request, habit in the past, possibility. I would help you if I had time. मैं आपकी मदद करता अगर मेरे पास समय होता. I would help you if I had time. मैं आपकी मदद करता अगर मेरे पास समय होता. She would call me every evening. She would call me every evening. वह मुझे हर शाम फ़ोन किया करती थी. She would call me every evening. वो मुझे हर शाम फ़ोन किया करती थी. She would call me every evening. He said he would come tomorrow. उसने कहा कि वह कल आएगा. I knew he would say that. मुझे पता था वह यही कहेगा. I knew he would say that. I knew he would say that. He would say that. मुझे पता था वह यही कहेगा. I knew he would say that. She would never lie. She would never lie. वह कभी झूठ नहीं बोलती थी. Okay, welcome back friends. Today is my 96th day of consistent English practice. 96th day is going on, and without any single day gap consistently I am practicing English. Okay, and this is how I practice sentences. I have written down in this notebook so many sentences. I am writing nowadays. I am working on modal verbs. Actually I know modal verbs I use while speaking, but I want to become very good at it. That's why I am writing down every day. I write one modal verb. I was reading that would is a modal verb, and I was means I was doing practice with this, and this is how I practice every day. So I would like to show you this notebook with the help of back camera. Okay, let's see. So this is a place where I come every day, and there is one temple. It is called Deepma, and here I come every day, and this house is empty. It is very old house, and see this location. It is very wonderful. I come here daily twice, in the evening and in the morning, and I sit here every day and I practice English. And this is a notebook, and I have written down many sentences. These are sentences from tense. Okay, here you can see. I go to school. I do not go to school. Do I go to school? Do I not go to school? So like that. These are all simple tense, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. So all simple tenses are here with their affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and interrogative plus negative sentence. All type of sentences are here. And after that, if you go ahead, then you will see here present continuous tense. So all type of present continuous tense: present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. All the tenses are here, and with negative, positive, interrogative, affirmative, everything. I am reading, I am not reading, am I reading, am I not reading, I was watching, I was not watching, was I watching, was I not watching, I will be reading, I will not be reading, will I be reading, will I not be reading. So like that, I have written down every sentence from tense. So actually I am good at tense, but I want to practice it more. So this is only using I, and after that I will use another pronoun like he, she, it, like that. And here you can see simple sentences using do. So this is my practice, and here you can see. And again here using have, has, had, will have, all type of sentences. This is the basic of English, and we must know this. So I am good at it actually, but I am writing down, and now I am focusing on this model verbs. So this is could. These are sentences using model verb could, and if you go ahead, you can see here could be. After that, could have. Here is could have. Okay, so these are all using could. And after that, if you go ahead again, couldn't. Here is couldn't. I couldn't sleep at last night. मैं पिछली रात सो नहीं सका. So this is basic of English. We must know these all sentences. Should. After could, here is it is a should. Using should. So many. I have written down 10 sentence with every modal verb. Should be, should have, and should have again, and would, which I was reading at the beginning of this video. Here it is would, then would be, and after would be, would have, and I have reached up to this would have sentence. Okay, so I have written down with Hindi meaning so that I can use it, I can understand, and I can figure out where to use it with if I know Hindi meaning. Okay, so without any formula I am learning this. So after that I will write here again may, might, like that, and as I told you, all the type of sentences I am going to work, I am going to learn and practice. So this is my English practice, friends. What do you think? What do you feel after watching this my practice? Let me know in the comment box what is your opinion, and if you have some feedback for and some suggestions for me, so write down in the comment box. I would like to hear from you, I would like to learn from you too. Okay, so this is all, and I also read, as I said you in my previous video, I read English. I have one novel, and this is a novel. If you want to buy, you can. I will tag this. This is a novel, The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Night Time. So every day I read 2 or 3 pages. Initially I was reading a lot of pages, like 5-6 page, but reading slowly is helpful, because if we read without knowing, so we can't figure out, and we can't memorize sentence and words. But actually I have completed 50% book, but now I am reading again, and I am taking the meaning of every sentence and every word which I don't know. So this is how I am reading this novel, and I speak with people by using CV app. I have told you before, CV app, I have taken subscription on CV app, and I listen through YouTube videos. So everything is going on, listening, writing, speaking, and reading, everything is going on, and I can become fluent and good gradually. Suddenly it cannot happen, so it will happen over the period of time. So this is all about my English practice. If you are watching first time, then do subscribe and be connected to the channel. Thank you.